The Shillong Heart Clinic welcomes Dr. Amethyst Baumann, consultant interventional cardiologist, formerly of Medanta, the Medicity. From preventive care to advanced cardiac procedures, your heart is in safe hands. Book now at 9863050899.
Haka klip mat ba ulampang kayeng dorbar tauan ke jela Thomas is sang ma umut pun kutno yaka kenta kali jingkli haka sngi balai ke dorbar mangtingka kayeng dorbar tauan haka khat pratrik urumpang arajar apun rio kata hadian ke jiania ka bakhloj hapreng ukondrat ke sang ma umentri rangba ke jela badu Dr. Mukul sang ma MLA no songsak badu nong ilam kaliang persya kumju ru badu ba Arden Miller basayo moj MLA no nongkrem uba Adelbert nong rom MLA no not Shillong ru ulayeng ban bo jingkli benram Ulampang ulaong ba anam pediang shu henrei uba Adelbert ulaong ba ulampang umla ban pendu ya ka hok jong u kani ke jingkli benrap ke dei halor ke jingkli balawan ra do ba sensyar kupar roy lengdo thapa MLA na soyong ubala kwa ban tip no menteri rangba ke jelau konrad ke sangma ya ki daw ba penlong ya ka sarkar jela ban terwa da ka ILP besya srim ban pentrai kam ha ke jaka ka ILP bepura Uba Adelbert ulaong bana kapor sekapor kala don ka jingsha shat kala ha ka sarkar jela bat sarkar India kumju bat kumta dei ban sange ka kam Thok halor kini uba Preston tensong usembut menteri rangba ulayeng bat ong baladau ba Adelbert uong ba Thok dei ban don ki jing Pynshisha Nalor uba Preston layeng sau konrad ubala ong baladau don uba Thok dei hi uba Adelbert namar katno sin ulawan banya kendu yo Amit Shah menteri kampo iyeng ke sarkar India Kamhadian ulampang ulapun kot ya ka kenta kali jingkeli bat penyat no dakiwai kimat
Sir.
No,
Please, sir, you cannot deprive my right. How can you deprive my right? Please abide by the rule. Please, sir. Please abide by the rule.
One question, please.
No, not one, not two, not three. 5 at least. Okay,
Oh, no. That is not
Sir,
possible.
please.
We have taken time. You may ask one question.
No, not one. Okay, if satisfied, then I'll do what you ask me. Okay. Sir, let me recall, let me remind the House.
To the question.
This is not the one. This is the need. So we had been fooled by the state government, by the central government from time to time. Stop fooling. Please stop fooling from now onwards. We cannot compromise
What is your question?
this very present generation with the future generation.
Mr. Speaker, sir,
please,
if
you are
the honourable
serious.
member Adelbert says that we are fooling, can you please produce that allocation you made? That
Sir,
we are
7
fooling.
years.
What do you mean by saying we are fooling?
7
So
years.
I really wanted
Sir.
some justification
Sir,
on that.
7 years.
What do you mean by saying fooling,
2019 had
sir?
been
Through you,
passed a
Mr. Speaker,
resolution
sir. Let
in the
him
House.
prove it. Let him prove
Sir.
it. He can't just say
2019
this.
had been passed
If anybody is
in the
fooling,
House.
if anybody is
Sir.
fooling, it is
Yes.
he who is fooling, sir.
Okay.
And again, how many times has he gone? How many times has he also met Home Minister?
Please sit down.
If anybody is fooling, sir, it is he who is fooling the people. Every
one
time
can
he comes
fool
up and
people.
says
Some
all these
people.
points. But never in his
Some
life
feel so
has he
one
met
time.
Honorable Home
Some of the
Minister
people
and
from
written
the
about
side, all
ILP
the
ever.
people, all the time.
So only it's
With
only
due
talking
respect.
and not
With due
preaching
respect, sir.
and are not practicing
Sir,
what you
with due
preach.
respect,
It's
sir,
not the
please.
way, sir.
Please sit down. Please sit
Please,
down.
with due respect, only one
Please sit down.
suggestion because
Please
I had spoke all. Every time.
Please sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down. The question hour is over.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ikan diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.